How to log in another account in Instagram without password. Forgot your Instagram password? Here's how you can log in without it. So first go ahead and open up the Instagram app on your device and then head over to your profile by clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now from here, go ahead and select your Instagram username and this would pop on your screen. So click on add Instagram account here and then select log into an existing account and then go ahead and log into your account by entering your information into the section. But if you don't have that, you can also log in to your Instagram account connected to your Facebook account. So make sure that that Facebook account is signed in to the Facebook app that you have on your device to easily sign in into the Instagram account connected to that account. And that is how to log into another account in Instagram without password.